is our look test. Super look! Long time no see!
Hello.
Hi! I'm fine, thank you. Meet Paul. So siya ang akong kalab.
Kilig sa'yo.
See you days from now. From now. Good morning! Hi! They are in the dark because it's 5:45 pa lang in the morning. We are currently here at San Joaquin. This is finally is it? Kasi sa day 1, naiwan ko yung aking phone. Now, I got 2 phones. Pero isa lang man ang usable and hindi din kami pwedeng gamamit mamaya ng phone. So, I'll see you later at night pagtapos na ng shoot. Alright! Bye! Welcome to Talisayan Beach Resort. Sabit, we got Poldo, and of course, Nana. Hi! Thank you. Kain agad. Ayun! Ayun! Tsura, bisag gutom. Good morning, good morning. Meet my beautiful hair and makeup artist. Yan. We are going to our second location and it's a secret! See you there!
Ako na-click ka rin eh.
Hindi, pwede. Okay, bye! Yay! On our second location.
Hi, tita. Hi, na
Say
tita.
hi!
Say hi, say hi.
We're finally done. Bound to our set 3. Bye! Hi! Hi, Chimiga! Hi! Done. Yay! It's my day 3. This is my driver and my manager. I'll be going to San Joaquin. They will be leaving. Wow, they will be leaving. Hasta lang sila sa may molo. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye. That's my sister and of course my mother. Bye-bye. Bye. Let's wait for the driver. Charot! Yay! They are here. Good morning. Yay, we are back at Talisayan Beach Resort. So, kung gusto nyo di magstay, good for 6, that's 3,200. Good for 2, 220. Good for 4 with living room 2,1. And good for 3 with living room 1,800 there. So, let's get inside. Morning! Our grind will be at 11 a.m. Hi! Morning! Morning, morning! Manong! Morning!
Isa lang yung adalan.
Morning! Yay! Good morning! It's our 4th day. Good morning! Good morning! Ano yung mo gina-harvest? Aga pa? Sugama! Wow!
Allen.
Birthday money, Allen! Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Allen! Woo!
Mami, Joy.
Kukulang dapat.
Yay! It's our last day! Hello! Hey! Last scene. Let's do this. Last.
How's my artista girl?
Of course, it's my last day. We'll let you touch. Touch lang. Touch lang. Do not open.
Do not open.
Wow! I am finally home and tapos na gid man! Yay! I'm so happy that everybody's happy with my performance. This is such a great experience. Thank you so much, Direk Tara, and of course, Sir Allen. Thank you! I'm just a message away. See you sa screening. Hopefully, makaleave ako for the screening. Ay! Alright! Bye, everyone! Kinkat ko na kanina, but I really have to say that this is actually challenging role for me. Gan pa nga isa ko ni Direk, nga madula si Ruby Rosa sa frame. So, I don't know. Hopefully, I serve my purpose in the film. I am an attorney. Yeah, and most of my colleagues also thought that I am really an attorney, and I so love it. Oh man, I'm doing fine, no? And hopefully it translates man sa my camera. What makes Attorney Maya a character that is very challenging for me because I do belong in a spectrum, so I'm highly functional autistic. I really have to give justice to the character and of course for those in the spectrum. So I hope that everybody likes Tigiliwi and everybody would be learning a lot from it because I personally, you know, Tigiliwi for me is having that season in our lives na very challenging. And kung agriculture, usually Tigiliwi, it's in the month of August. But after that, pag season of harvest, of course, there's abundance in our lives, no? So, as human beings, may mga time, gid kag season sa aton life nga ara kita sa dalom. So, kung ara kita sa dalom, all we have to do is accept the fact nga hindi kita ara pirmi sa babaw, hindi kita ara sa pedestal, no? And take up the challenge, own it, and think of things nga maka-recover no sa amo na nga situation. It's more on acceptance of who we are, and then taking advantage of the great things that we can do for our humanity, no? Kay syempre as a human beings man in general, hindi man kita perfect, but we all have our strengths and we should own our strengths and take advantage sa mga opportunities na ginahatag sa aton. So, that's it, and I hope to see you all sa screening. Thank you for all the cast and crew of Tigiliwi. Bye!
Our gate assignment for this flight has been changed to gate number 5.
Yay! We are finally flying to Manila for our red carpet. That's me. Yeah! So this is our entry for Cine Panalo Film Festival. We have collab, fleeting, of course, Direct PM's Salom. Then we have here All Since Day, Sepak Takraw, The Journeyman, and of course our very own Tigiliwi. Hi! Good morning, Philippines! Kakagising ko lang. My gosh, it's 10 a.m. and we'll be having our screening later at 6 p.m. Kailangan nandun na kami for our ticket. 7 p.m. magsastart yung program and the screening is on 8 p.m. Ayun! Masakit lang was ko. Oh my gosh, I have so very big bag. That bag, of course, with my heels and dresses. Yay! We're finally here at Cineplex 18 at Cubao, Quezon City, and we will purchase a ticket. That's only 250 pesos. Now it's time to claim our groceries. Oh, so excited! Thank you so much. Ay, meron pa tayo products. Oh! Yeah, thank you! And groceries. Yay! It's time for groceries. For our food food items dito tayo. This is lunch and your lunch for 3 days. Kasi bread lang.
Ano po, bread from, at saka po, harina.
Luncheon meat with breadcrumbs and flour. Egg din. For breakfast. Hindi tayo nakapag-lunch, so perfect na nauna tayo.
Laki may chicken na chicken and laki may beef na beef.
Akala ko yung kako. Tutuwa na sana ako. Narinig ko ba na yung mga pwedeng C5 timing, nauuhaw ako. Hindi pa ako nakapagtubig from my hotel. Hindi ako nakakabuka. Kuya! Kuya! Natulog. Thank you. No, bawal sa artista yung malamig. Chicken! Singer. Thank you so much. Yun, 2 blocks yung nilakad ko. So this is really perfect. C2 milk tea, caramel flavor.
Hindi na po ang bago masarap na Nescafe Sugar Free, ma'am. Masarap siya kahit walang asukal dahil siya yung stevia. Available in 2 variants po, peanut at cream. Pili na lang po kayo, ma'am. Dalawa po yung one is to one lang po. Original. Ay, creamy white.
Creamy white.
Ayun na lang.
Original. Ngayon, sweetened by stevia, di ba? Mas perfect, mas healthy for all of you. So, shop now at Pure Gold and watch our film Pig Kiliwi screening here at Gateway Cineplex 18, Cubao, Quezon City. Bye! Huli! Pero di kulong!
Congrats ha. So entertaining.
May mga isa na ko ka, ano, picture. Hindi rin naman ta. Let's get inside.
Dito po. Okay, 3, 2, 1. One more.
Ruby Rosa, isa ring cast member na medyo on the spot.
Yes, time check. It's 4:30 a.m. and hindi pa tayo nakatulog. I'm still high kasi sobrang ganda ng output namin. Walang halong biro, walang halong, how do you call that, biases, but it's really, really good. Tani makalantaw, gid ka mo once ma-screen sa Iloilo and I'm looking forward to, take some photos with you. Ha?
Kilig sa'yo.
Chura, bisang kilig, Jay.
Ang panalo sa sound design, Fatima, Erica Santos, at Manuela Verona, Tano.
Salamat po sa recognition, sila Panalo, sa lahat po ng sponsors and jurors, and Pure Gold. Direct PM, thank you.
Ang panalo sa musical story, Armor Avista.
Magandang gabi sa lahat. Mayang gabi sa tanan. Damo na salamat sa Sige Panalo, Pure Gold, Direct TM Malones. Para sa Team Salon.
ATM, the standout Panalo ensemble for the full-length film category is Pig Kiliwi. Kyle Fangata.
First of all po, si Direct TM Malones, Direct. Thank you sa pagsali, sa suporta. Isabay ko na rin po yung director ko sa Tech Kiliwi. Thank you din po, Direct Of course, sa community po namin sa Western Visayas, kami po binubuan ng isang tahimik pero maliit na visionaryo sa Western Visayas. Salamat sa lahat. Family ko for being ever supportive. Kaya dito pa rin po ako nakatayo. My inspiration, motivation, yung mga anak ko, si Nanaj, si Diamond, si Diana. And of course, my better half, Grace, really thank you. Sili Panalo, thank you po for opening doors for us. Hindi ko alam kung gaano po namin kailangan. Mabuhay si Panalo. Original cinema, mabuhay. Mabuhay sa Pilipinas Philippines.
Kwento, full length category.
Tara!
Pangarap ko itong makakuha ng Best Screenplay Award kasi somebody told me hindi ako marunong magsulat. Sir Ricky, happy birthday. This is for you. I love you.
At ang panalong pangalawang aktor, Jeffrey!
Salamat sa Sin Panalo, Sir Chris, mabuhay din. Nag-suporta na sa mga generation ng mga storytellers, filmmakers, direkta, team Louie. Sa inyo rito. Thank you so much. I'm going to be mabuhay akong pelikula Pilipino.
Ang panalong pangalawang actress for the full-length film category is Gabby Padilla!
First time ko po maging part ng isang fully Ilonggo film. At nakaka-proud po siya. Gusto ko i-share ang award yun with the cast and crew of Tikiliwi. Gamay kami na team, pero what we lack for in quantity, we make up for in heart. I'm so proud. Super proud ko to be part of this team. Direk Tara, salamat sa pagsalig sa istorya ko ni Samon. Balang may importante yung istorya para sa imo kasi talagang nababae sa pangbuhi mo. Salamat, Gid, for having me in Ryan. To my best ensemble, especially to my little brother, JP. For me, my best actor, super honored Gid ko to be your manang in this film. And of course, to the one and only Tita Ruby Ruiz. Gusto ko pasalamatan ako ng pamilya, tanan na nag-suporta sa amon sa pag-ubra sa siningan ni. I also want to thank my management, creation, studios, and I would like to dedicate this award to all the victims of the patriarchy. Mabuhay ang Ilonggo Cinema. Thank you, thank you.
Labanan ito ng raw at natural talent at husay ng karanasan sa pag-arte. It's another time!
We have Lucas Martin as Sam for Senpai.
And Jasper John!
First time ko po tumapak sa pag-arte sa screen. Last year lang, kaya maraming salamat sa Pure Gold, sa Panalo. Sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa table, okay lang po isa-isahin si Rekshan, Lance, Tyrone, Gillian, lahat po ng co-actors ko. At sa lahat ng mga naniniwala sa akin. Payo ko lang po sa mga kapwa-kabataan, artista, kagaya ko, patuloy po tayong lumikha ng mga pelikula na not only reflect the social realities, pero mga pelikula na nagpapakita ng ideal society. No, kasi sa pamamagitan nito mapapakita natin na we can achieve that by coming together, kagaya nitong Pure Gold Cine Panalo. Mabuhay po ang manggagawang Pilipino, mabuhay ang manggagawang kultural, at congratulations din sa mga kasimano ko ng Ilonggo na nandito.
Maayong gabi. Thank you for all the love and support here at Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival. I am so happy to be here. And Panalong actor, I appreciate the production staff, especially Direk Tara, and my supporting acting director, Sir Nathan. Thank you.
Thank you, of course, to Pure Gold Cine Panalo Festival, sa buong ng jury at sa buong ng buong festival. Salamat sa bigay ng mga sa katulad ng pelikula namin ng Wilson's Day. Sa pamilya ng Wilson's Day, Direk JP!
Only one will take home our Panalo Actress Award for the full-length film category. And the winner is Ruby Ruby!
On behalf of my mom, I'll be accepting this award. Deliver yung flight niya. So, personally, hindi ko makakabot. But she would like to share this award with the whole Tikiliwi team, with the casting crew kasi sobrang group effort daw talaga para matutulong siya Ilonggo. So salamat daw po sa pag-uwi sa kanya. Salamat daw po kay Sir Chris Kahilig at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Pure Gold Senior Panalo. Thank you po.
Congratulations!
The full-length film category. That equally prestigious award ay ang panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado.
Of course, with the tight 5-hour jury felt it was important to give recognition where it was deserved.
Nagkaroon ng deliberasyon ng mga hurado and decided to honor a film bukod sa pinakapanalong maikling pelikula. At ito ay ang panalong karangalan mula sa mga hurado.
I think everyone is excited. So, ladies and gentlemen, here are the nominees for Pinakapanalong Maikling Pelikula. De La Cruz, 1P, by John
To present the final trophies of the evening, we would like to call our Pure Gold representatives, Ms. Ivy Pinan and Direk Chris Kahilig.
Hindi mo natapos ang paghahanap ni Juan, patuloy natin kalampagin ang mga nasa itaas. Sigaw namin, taas pa sahod, regulasyon at justisya. Nilaman ka.
Our Pinakapanalong Maikling Pelikula for Pure Gold Cine Panalo 2025 that's going home with the Pure Gold Cine Panalo trophy plus a cash prize of 100,000 pesos is...
Champ Green!
I share these together with all the Testament Filmmakers here. We have already won since we have already naikwento na natin yung mga kwento na mula sa ating puso. I also share this award with all the regional filmmakers, especially those that are coming from Mindanao. Ito ay isang patunay na kaya din natin, kaya natin magkwento ng mga makabuluhang kwento na may share natin, hindi lamang sa Mindanao, kundi para sa buong bansa. Gusto ko pasalamatan ang aking producers, si Mark, si Ronnie, si Nico, and si Bogoy, si Tony, at si Gian. I also would like to say thank you for more than half of the team from the province of Bukidnon na hindi kayang punta dito ng sobrang layo. I'm celebrating this award with you in spirit. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang pinakamahusay kong DOP na si Daryl. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan si Nigo, ang aking TV. Pasalamatan ko din ang aking sound na si Hannah. At pasalamatan ko din ang aking mga aktor na mula pa sa Mindanao na bigay para sa celebration ng iyong gabi. Si Rebecca at si Maria na first time actor. Patuloy tayong magkwento tayo ng magkwento dahil tayo ay patuloy na mananalo at tayo ay patuloy na magkwento. Mabuhay po ang Pure Gold, mabuhay ang Regional Cine.
Going home with the Panalong Karangalan mula sa mga hurado for the full-length film category is... Tikiliwi!
Cast and crew who are in Iloilo, and also to Tita Ruby. Tita Ruby, when I had moments of self-doubt on the set, she was a source of wisdom and calm. So, thank you so much, Chili Panalo. Thank you so much, DMZ. To my crew from Bonfire, to all the sponsors of Cine Manalo, from Pure Gold, T6, Tina Bebet Casas, from Soundsmith, Gateway, everyone.
Ang pinakapanalong mahabang pelikula ng Pure Gold Cine Panalo ay... Sago by Kiana!
Thank you po sa lahat, Cine Panalo, Pure Gold, sa lahat po ng sponsors, sa cast and crew ko from Iloilo and dito rin sa Manila, sa Go Production, thank you po.
Yay! Po, pwede ako!
Ay, sorry po.
Yay! Thank you so much for watching Tikiliwi. Here's our baby boy and the fam. Bye everyone! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindutan ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!